Acer's flagship from its Predator gaming series is the Helios 500, and it doesn't come in a very conventional box. This thing is huge, but rightly so for such a heavyweight laptop. Inside you find the power cord and a very big power brick to charge the laptop. Of course, the laptop comes inside another box where it's wrapped in cloth and plastic for that added protection. And just by looking at it, the laptop is unlike any other I've ever tried. It comes with prominent Predator branding on both the front and back and is extremely thick and heavy. Something that I liked very much is the blue color scheme to the laptop, which by the way is my favorite color, and it's a nice change from the usual red and black theme many gaming laptops go for. And trust me, this one's meant for gaming. You get a very impressive 17.3-inch 4K resolution panel with G-Sync technology up front and some very powerful internals like the Nvidia GTX 1070, 16GB of RAM and Intel's 8th generation i7 processor. There's an impressive selection of ports on the laptop on both the left and right side, but most notably the venting to cool the laptop down is quite striking. It sort of gives off a mean look, which suits a laptop of this caliber very much. Now, there's a lot to this laptop from the software side too. You can play around with the clock speeds of your internals, the laptop macro keys especially useful for gaming, or the keyboard lighting, which is zonal. Normal tasks like browsing or going through files works great, but with the time I've had the laptop for, I was impressed with the speakers specifically. I think they are apt for a gaming laptop, and hopefully the more time I spend with it, the better I can test the laptop with a variety of games and give you guys a final verdict. But that's all for this one. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe for more videos and check out the videos on screen if you've missed them. I'll see you in the next one. Adios.